Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are into fashion, travel, lifestyle, and food, please you're in the right blog, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, we're here again. So I'm going to unbox for you a coin card or card case wallet. Okay, so I will not show you the paper bag of Gucci, of course, so it's not that much hassle for us. So I'll show you, this is the box inside of it. So if you can see, it's written here, card case, Bosco and Orso, GG Supreme. Okay, Supreme, GG logo, SS Supreme. Okay, so we will do the unboxing, guys. Because, you know guys, I love small leather. Okay, so I always keep changing my wallet. Okay, and I always use belt bags. So I just have my driving license, ATM cards, and some cash. But usually I always use my ATM card. So I have only my civil ID, those things only inside my wallet. So I want really small one because I'm using belt bag at work. Okay, so this is it, guys. Gucci, if you can see. And by the way, guys, this is limited edition. Okay, so I got it from one of my clients who travel in Europe. So I told her, I like this, please get me one if they have. And it's actually in I don't know exactly in euro, but it's around 470 US dollars. So guys, it's up for you to convert it. Okay, so that's it. So they give me this one because I don't have the paper bag because it's from Europe. So my client, she just put it on her luggage since this is small, so she doesn't have the paper bag. But it's brand new, guys. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and of course the Gucci dust bag. Okay, and this is the wallet, guys. Like what I've said, this one, this is limited edition, guys. Okay, so for those people who want to buy the second hand or use one, I will show you guys for authentication, for your guidelines for authentication. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is the front. You know, guys, before I thought this is cat or dog. I think this is Chihuahua, guys, right? They said it's cat, but for me it looks like a dog. Chihuahua, because I have a small dog exactly like this, but they said it's cat. So it confused me, guys. So it's up to you guys to decide if it's a dog or it's a cat. Okay, so this is they call it card case, Supreme, GG logo, Bosco, with Bosco patch. Okay, this is the patch. Okay, guys, so this is it. So my client told me they removed from the shop the other papers, so she cannot find the other one. So this one, guys, let's remove it because I'm going to use it after this vlog. Okay, so this is the zipper. So it has one, so you cannot put a card here, guys, because it's the, you know, the button for this one, so it's limited. So you only have one. So this one you can put here, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus coin for the coins. Okay, and plus for your bill. Okay, so to find the, okay, so it's red lining inside, and this is the lining inside, and about the serial code, you can find it here, I think here in front of this one lining. If you can see that one, guys, can you see it, guys? So this part here. Okay, wait, not there. Okay, sorry guys, not here. The serial number, guys, it's here on the top. If you can see that one, guys. I hope you can see it, guys. Okay. This one. It's really here. See one of the pocket and it's in this lining. Okay. So this one, I hope you can see. Okay, guys. It's really hard. But it's this one. It's 506. This one, guys. You can see it now, or still no. Sorry, it's because it's red. Yeah, the one under my nail. Yeah, guys, this one. Sorry, huh? But I'll show it to you later in the end of the video. So this is the serial number. Yeah, that one. Yeah, okay, you can see it, guys. Now this is the serial number. Okay, guys, can you see it? Okay, so that's the serial numbers. It has 2, 4, 6 and dot in the middle and 4 numbers. So 6 numbers and dot in the middle, then 4 numbers. Okay, and here it's written Gucci, made in Italy, and R here, I think it's R, and Gucci, made in Italy. The first release of this one, they put limited edition. Limited edition here. So some of them you can see they put here limited edition because my client, she has one. So when I saw it, I asked her if she can get me one in Europe because it's a little bit cheaper there. So I told her to get me one. So to her, she has here limited edition. Okay, so R, Gucci, made in Italy, then limited edition in parentheses. So she has this one, the first one. So this is the second release one, guys. Okay, but she's telling me good thing. Some shop they don't have it in France, so she got it in Italy. I don't know if in Venice or in Florence, but she got it in Italy. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you like it. And it's, you know, the natural logo of GG. And guys, it's all up to you how to decide if it's this one is a cat or a dog. But I really love this one. See, guys, wait, for those people who are asking me about my wallet, or they leave a comment on my wallet if the euro or pounds can fit on card wallet and my other one. Yes, it fits, but I'll let you try it, guys. I'll show you guys because I have here, of course, the biggest bill, 50 pounds. So I have 50 pounds here. This is the biggest bill, so I know it's standard, guys. So all the bill it will fit in. See here, it has compartment for your paper bill. I call it paper bill, guys. So sorry. So see, you can fit it here. So this one, guys, it's in this first pocket. But okay, guys, you can put here card. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. You can put, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's 5 compartment plus coins plus here extra here, so 6. 1, so you can put here some bill here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 compartment, guys, plus the coins. Okay, so if you can see, guys, it fits for all the people who lives in England, UK. Hi. So yes, it fits, guys. Okay, your biggest bill. Okay, and for, I'll show you guys to put the card, so you can, yes, it fits, guys. See, it fits, it can fit. So this one, no, it's in the first layer of the leather. Even this one, guys, even this one. Okay, guys, yes, this is my SSS security number in Philippines. So guys, I hope you like it. So if you have any question about this product, please don't hesitate to message me below, and I will reply to you guys. Okay, and this one, like what I've said, this is $470 US conversion, because that's what I saw in Google and US shop. In euro, I think it's a little bit less because she got a tax return. So this is it, guys. That's why I don't have the receipt with me, because I just asked my client to get it for me, guys. So I hope you like my unboxing for today, and see you for my next unboxing. Bye, guys. And this is my Chanel wallet. Bye, guys, and see you soon. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.